All right.
That's then you can do that right there.
Yeah.
That's 4-0, big 4-0, big 4-0. Hey, listen, it'll mean the world to me if you like, comment, and share. I'm trying to get a piece.
You want me to cut you a piece?
No, I got it. I'm the chopstick king.
Okay.
You guys ready? Hold on.
We could ask for a fork.
We probably could,
Yeah.
but you want to do it with the chopstick.
Hold on. Almost got it. It's right there. I'm that guy.
How's that? How's that? How's that? Fuck you
you
where you
coming
breathe.
after me, man?
Okay?
Why are you coming
Don't
after
tell
me,
me what
man?
to. You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Okay.
Okay?
Are you?
Absolutely.
Whoa. I was like,
It's green tea. Bro,
I don't know what I'm tasting.
thoughts. What's your thoughts?
Because like I was expecting ice cream. You know how ice cream is smooth and
Yeah,
And
you
like-
didn't expect
like-
the texture, did you?
like it just it just goes down and right now what I'm getting is like I'm chewing it like
Yeah.
it's not really melting, it's like crumbling in my mouth. It's like balls, no balls. But it's still like cold and melty at the same time. It's crazy.
Rating out of 10.
Out of 10,
Yeah.
I give this a solid. Hold on, let me get another bite.
Bro, you need to get the whole thing though.
Get the whole thing.
Like you're gonna bite into it.
Bite into it.
Bite into it.
Hold on. Let me show y'all the skills. Hold on. Move this one. Get that right. And yes, sir. Then you can. Make sure they're even. Yes, sir. Then you can do that right there.
Yeah. You took the whole thing. The whole thing in.
Wow.
Oh.
Good luck.
Oh.
Brain freeze.
Brain freeze. Bro, it's a lot of ice cream in there. Like, it might not look like it, but it's a whole lot of ice cream.
See, because the thing is like the outside is completely different from the inside. So like the outside was like spongy, right? But the inside is more like it's more like a rougher version of like frozen ice cream. Not like the creamy version, but you know when it's like hard. That's what the inside of this is like. Out of 10, I give this about a cool, I don't know. I'd have to try a different flavor, but I'd give it a 6.5. Hey y'all, me and my friends, we're currently in Arizona still. We missed the morning part of the convention. So then we said, all right, we're just gonna go to the lunch thing. We missed that too. So then we were like, we're already dressed up, let's just go out and get food. So we're currently in Chipotle. And you know, we're just doing stuff in our business attire. Peep the shoes. Yes, sir. Click them twice. If you don't got your lemon pepper steps right now, son, let me stop. We have some crazy stuff planned for today. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Are you guys ready?
That's the sound of the police.
That's 4-0, big 4-0, big 4-0. Guys, I'm about to try sushi for the first time. My trip from, if y'all want to story time about my trip, let me know. But my friend put me onto some, what is this called?
Shrimp tempuras.
Shrimp tempuras. And then I'm finna have the living color rolls. First time trying sushi, so pray for me in the comments. Y'all saw the chopstick skills last vid, so let's see if I can bring them back. What should I do? Should I dip it in the soy sauce first?
Try one without the soy sauce and then try one with the soy sauce.
And then what about these other two sides?
You can try putting wasabi on. I don't really put wasabi on, but usually you eat the gingers like after you take a bite and then you take a ginger. So you take ginger with the bite.
So this, I just eat the whole thing.
Just the whole thing.
All right. Yo!
What's the verdict?
Okay.
You don't look too impressed.
So, I'm gonna give this a solid. This is a solid 6.5 out of 10. It's not bad, but it's weird because it's like I feel like I'm chewing fried chicken because like the crunch, but I don't taste any chicken. And then the shrimp is like kind of like lost. I didn't taste the shrimp at all. I only really tasted the rice, and I think there's some type of vegetable in there sweet. It's like sugary, I don't know. Let me try it with the soy sauce.
You break me.
I know, Sharif. That's what the.
That's the shrimp. And that was probably the sweet stuff. That's the cucumbers.
I'm not gonna lie to you. Way better with the shrimp. It increased the score to a 7.2. Let me get some ginger. Y'all see me with the chopstick. Oh, hold on. Y'all see me with the chopstick gang. You feel what I'm saying? Okay, let me get some wasabi.
Okay.
They said this gun is hot. So
It burns.
I'm not gonna play with it too much, just a little bit. And now I'm gonna do the wasabi plus. Whoa, I'm breaking it. Plus the soy sauce. I don't feel like I got enough. Damn. Damn. Damn.
You wanna just grab it with your hand?
Sharif, you know I can't do that. Okay.
Alright. Solid. Go back a little bit more on the chopstick.
I'm not even gonna lie. I remember trying wasabi now that it's in my mouth. I remember my first time trying this stuff. And it still tastes pretty light. I don't know.
That's not the good wasabi though. It's not even the good wasabi.
It still tastes like dust. Spicy dust. All right, I'm done trying the California rolls because
It's the shrimp tempuras.
shrimp tempuras. Because I'm starting to get full. Why can't I open it?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.